money, Daddy.
What up, what up, what up? Welcome back to another OD's unboxing. And today we got the Pulse Red Xbox One controller. This is the new one, the new revision. Has a share button in the middle. So we have this right here. Open this thing on up. It's got the instructions in here. Here's what we get. That's it. Literature. Unlimited pass. That's all you. Enjoy. Stop the video. You can take that if you need one. It's going in the trash, my dude. You know what I mean? That's it. It's over. Let's get to this. My beautiful baby. Now, you follow my channel, you know I like to customize these. This is the new Xbox controllers with the share button in the middle. Basically, everything is more or less the same. It does have a USB-C instead of the micro USB it had before. And that is a plus because we carry a lot of USB-C wires around. Majority of us, unless you're really on Apple. Now, the battery dock is still the same. I like the feeling of it, that they did change the texture at the bottom. So it feels like more like the Elite controller. The buttons feel good and refined as always, clicky and responsive. So it's just another beautiful, beautiful controller. Nothing's changed besides those minor details from the physical standpoint. I'm pretty sure. I definitely feel the new controls are better than the original ones, if you don't know that already. But the responsiveness is just beautiful. But that is that. So yeah, like and subscribe. If you have any questions, holler at your boy. I do want to get a couple more controllers so I can start transmutating them. Waiting for more accessories to come out to customize my own controller. And yeah, just stay tuned. As soon as all that stuff starts to be released, I'll be making some custom controllers. And I might be throwing them at people. You know what I mean? So, you know, look out for that as well. But that's about it. And I'll holler at y'all later, man. Easy.